Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a Shopify store step by step clearly. Go to Shopify.com and click Start Free Trial to create your account with your email and a secure password. Answer the setup questions about your business, or skip them if you are not sure yet. Enter your store name carefully because it becomes your default Shopify URL and brand identity. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and take 1 minute to locate home, orders, products, customers, content, and settings. Open Settings. Then go to Store Details and fill in your legal business name, address, and contact information. Go to Settings. Then Payments and activate Shopify Payments or connect PayPal and any local payment methods you need. Go to Settings. Then Checkout and set your customer contact method, shipping address rules, and order confirmation options. Go to Settings. Then Shipping and Delivery and create shipping zones and rates for your target countries. Go to Settings. Then Taxes and Duties and enable automatic tax settings if they apply in your region. Go to Online Store. Then Themes and choose a theme that matches your niche. Then click Customize. In the Theme Editor, set your colors, fonts, and logos so your store looks consistent and professional. Create key pages by going to Online Store. Then Pages and add About Us, Contact, Shipping Policy, and Refund Policy. Go to Online Store. Then Navigation and build a simple main menu with Home, Catalog, Contact, and Policies. Go to Products. Then add product and write a clear product title, description, and choose the right product type. Upload high-quality product images and set the correct price. Compare at price if applicable, and inventory tracking. Add product variants like size or color and double-check that each variant has the correct price and inventory. Set shipping weight and customs information so shipping rates and labels calculate correctly. Create collections by going to Products. Then Collections and group items like best sellers, new arrivals, or category names. Assign products to collections and make sure collections appear in your navigation menu. Set up your domain by going to Settings. Then Domains and connect an existing domain or buy a new one in Shopify. Verify your domain is set as the primary domain and that SSL is active for secure browsing. Add essential apps by going to Apps and install only what you need, like email marketing, reviews, and an SEO tool. Set up email notifications and settings. Then notifications and customize order and shipping emails with your branding. Configure your legal settings and settings. Then policies and generate templates. Then edit them to match your business. Place a test order by enabling Shopify's test mode or using a bogus gateway to confirm checkout works end-to-end. Check your store on mobile and desktop to confirm pages load fast and buttons, menus, and text are easy to use. Set up basic SEO by editing your homepage title, meta description, and product page search preview text. Remove the storefront password by going to Online Store. Then Preferences and disable password protection when ready to launch. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.